We're going to winterize our barrel sometime in the fall when you're done collecting water and you want to switch back from a rain barrel to a downspout. You do not want to leave it in the system all winter long. It will freeze, and you don't want a 400-pound ice cube sitting outside your house. Plus, also your downspout won't work if it's frozen. So what we're going to do is take the diverter off. This system is used here. We've mentioned some other diverters and other types, so some of them are just a matter of a switch. This one, take a couple screws off. Take this part off. And put this part back on. So now we're back to where it can run out on the yard. Now what do we do with the barrel? We can store it in a shed, we can store it here or somewhere else that's convenient. It doesn't need to be inside a shed. If you have a room, it just maybe make it easier for you. But if you're going to store it outside, you'll want to put a little weight on there. We'll show you that in a second. But one of the first things you want to do is let the barrel sit a couple days after you take it apart so that it'll dry inside. You'll have stuff inside such as the gravel that's coming off of your roof, maybe a little bit of a few other things. Then you want this is a perfect time to clean that off. Take the barrel and just set it down. We'll take the screen off using our paint can remover. And then we'll just take a broom and sweep down the sides a little, sweep down the bottom, and then we will dump it. This one doesn't have anything in it, so we don't need to dump it right now. So then we're going to show you how to store it right here. So what I do, you don't have to, I take the hose off, put it inside. That way next spring I know where it is. And by the way, if you store it in the shed, mice won't get to it. So then I just put the lid, the screen back on, put it back up here, and what I use is a 4-inch block. You want to make sure you leave your spigot on. So if a little bit of water gets inside, it'll have an opportunity on a sunny day in the winter to drain out. This is a 4-inch block, available in any of your big box stores. And it sits on top of it, keeps that in place, and it'll keep your barrel here till next spring.